So this is actually how you schedule drives for your students. So you see up here, they have these little silver tabs. If your student actually, like say the 8 a.m. class already in there, then they can't go drive after that time. So they look down here, that'd be a drive after class. Or if they're in the 10 o'clock class, they want to do a drive before class, then click one of these here. So say I got a kid in a 10 o'clock class. So click this, and then it says name ends at 10 a.m. So what you do is just highlight that, and you type your child's name in. So, Joe Schmo. How do you spell that? And there's the name right there. And then that point will be saved in your calendar and my calendar. All right. So if you have a Google Calendar, most of you guys have that go in your Google Calendar. If you don't have a Google Calendar yet, Google's profile, we can get one pretty soon, as soon as possible, and then it'll be a calendar automatically included in your Google account, and that'll go automatic account. That way it keeps track of when your student will be driving, so it makes things a lot easier for you. And then you just hit save, and then books your appointment right there, and you're good to go. Okay, but again, keep track of when it shows. When it says like begins at, it might be a 9 o'clock drive, but up here it says it begins at 8. So even though it's not for 9 to 10 drive, it actually begins at 8 o'clock. So it's very important to keep track of when the starting time is or the ending time. Or say down here, you might say you clicked for noon to 1 time, but it says it ends at 2. So just keep track. The reason I did it that way is I didn't want to do it that way, but I can't do any other way in Google on this system. So you got to only pick 1 kid per hour, but the kids will drive together for 2 hours because students are required to get 1 drive and 1 observation in as well. So that's how we're going to do that. Okay, so also I'd prefer kids only to do 1 drive a day. I'm sorry, 1 drive per week for now until they get some more time in. And once I want everybody kids get a chance to get driving at least before school starts up, because we're required to get at least 3 drives in before the class ends itself. We plan on doing drives all the way through September. If you look at the calendar here, I got it set up through late September. September 19th, the latest. I think we'll have everybody done by that point. I haven't put any drives there yet, but I will at some point later on if we need them, which I think we probably will. Weekdays are in school. If kids are actually going to be in school, or even if they're online, not in school, attending school, we'll have classes between 4 and 8 at night. And do the math, it's going to work out with all the students I have between 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock classes. We should have them all done, all 408 drives done, or 402 drives done, roughly about that number, by the time we get to September 19th. So be patient. It's going to take a while with this many kids. All right. If you have any further questions, just contact me. All right. Thank you.